Ka sorkar jela ha ka khatlai tarik rempang kala syim ya ka sinjam bantau da ka coordination committee ha baro shilinter ki jaka khappud India Bangladesh. Kani kalawan ja hadien ke jingja le tokmet ki BSF ya unong syong shnong badu officer katanat veterinary Hamuktapur. Ya kani laong da ubak Preston Tensong sembut Menteri Rangbak Kejela hadien ke jialang kabayadan lang UIG BSF Harbak Singh Dhillon u DGP Meghalaya Dr. LR Bisnoy nalor kiwe-kiwe. Kani ka Coordination Committee India Bangladesh ka Deban Kli daw SDO Civil Subdivision bat gidkhot kin kentop ya company commander jongki BSF SDPO kinong yalam shnong. Ka thong ka committee ka long ban penbet ya kino ki jing bat ki jing bom sotho hapdeng ki shipai bat upai ba ki basyong basa ha khappud. U sembut Menteri Rangba ulaong baha kabayade wet ke jingja keno le tokmet ki shipai ya u Dr. Sebok Lang Buam u badai khmi ya ka Muktapur Veterinary Dispensary Amlarem Subdivision Halakro Chief Mandir Hawaii Tila West Jainta Hills District layakran penbait nadu ka khatar tarik ha ka jingalang ka bala khli daw SDO Amlarem Civil Subdivision Amlarem ha ka jingadan lang ki company commander BSF kinoyalam shnong bat seng bhalang.
Senior officers na kalian ka home department ka bakan tuplang ya u DGP ka bakan tuplang ru ya u additional chief secretary jongka jongka home jungi u Shakil Dr. Shakil nang ta secretary home perangkat badu IGP hakaba lawan lang na kalian u IG jongka BSF ting lai syong meeting mentan ka janmit apo kamna jonga hakaba ngakwa banyo ya ka detail report ya to jingjia hakiniki kemudian segi menci segi bah segi baje sati satai memang Muktapur diadin mengenai keren nilai yo report detail dan mereka basung tunat kolomba mendin hapo angke hapo amlaren adon ka meeting hakaba lakon win da SDO civil jong ka amlaren hakaba don lang na kaliang jong BSF la don lang ru na kaliang ki bosnong ki bortau na kaliang jong ki police take lari resolve ya kan issue ya ki differences porok khoi mentah kampdon ka issue tengam ko acu ban matai kata den rei ka ka ba ngasim ni karai mentah kasni kalong ba nang ni sakmat namar kum kini ki jajing jia kila ban jia na kapor syapor kum bakala jia machua bat kala jia men kini ki kendia sni lesi yo kan jia su te ngalai sim ya karai haga ban kaliang jong ka BSF ru na kaliang YG ubar represent na kaliang jong ki BSF ru kila menjur ba kan donno ka coordination committee ka bagi ong ka standing coordination committee haparo ki area jong kaneka border hapdeng ka Bangladesh bat India hakaba ki SDO civil jong ki tubijaka kinlong ki chairman jong kaneka coordination committee nangta USDPO na kalian ki polis undai ulong member nangta susu u company commander jong ki BSF kinlong ki member bat kumju ru na kalian ki nong sensasnong ki bahap akitu ki area kinlong ki khot jong kaneka committee hakaba kin ye kren ye ki issue ki bakher bat ba kin ya resolve anekin find out ya kalenti ka basu tenat kenang ba kanung don kanung kondo kijing ya sutu bakala hang yang tai kham tam hapdeng gi pai ba bat ki BSF lani hapdeng jong ki BSF bat ki police jong ka state police jong ka sorkar ka jingiro tinglai sim ni karai hakaba lasai lani lesiski ka nigger notification ka sami rengkat bat ki terms of reference na ka benda kanika coordination committee hakaba kan sedang no sundono ban syong halaki jong ki jaka kumongoi pi ban like kini ki aka ki jingjia ki baskosi nang ni skema
incident which has happened on the border. The issue has been resolved yesterday only, and that also very amicably, and that was an unfortunate incident. The rest of the instructions will be given by the deputy CM. That has been alleged by that person, and we are inquiring into the issue. And given the background of the discipline of the force, given the morale and motivation of the force, given the other aspects of the force, sensitivity of the area, everything will be taken care of.
Fortunate incident where the veterinary surgeon was allegedly misbehaved by BSF personnel. There was a communication gap because of some local language problems or maybe other reasons. So Honorable Home Minister has called a meeting of the IGBSF, I also attended, and from Home Department, Additional Chief Secretary and Home Secretary, they were in the meeting. So basically we discussed not only about that incident, but about earlier incidents also. And we have decided that the coordination committee involving the police, civil administrations and the BSF will be constituted at sub-divisional level. And every month they will organize one meeting, and where the community leaders will be invited as special invitee to attend meeting, so that the trust and understanding can be strengthened between the people of the border villages and the BSF. Inquiring into the matter, and that today IG BSF has assured us that I will go into the detail, and once after inquiry, once he will submit the report, then we will think about the action to be. Not aware what they have told earlier or clarified before the media, I am not aware, but today we have discussed about that, and they agreed that such kind of incident will not be repeated at all. That is one, he has given us assurance. And secondly, whatever exactly happened, they will look into the entire incident, and to overcome the mistrust and misunderstanding, this coordination will be strengthened. The preliminary inquiry we conducted from the BSF side, and once that report comes, after that only we will take up. So he has not filed any FIR formally, but only he complained to the local, and then we have taken the matter with the BSF, because BSF was directly alleged that they were misbehaving with the veterinary surgeons. I knew that government will be issuing notifications, constituting a coordination committee, not only in Amlaram subdivision, but other subdivision like Sohra, like Dalus, and like Panarsuna. In every subdivision, one coordination committee will be there. Every month they will organize one meeting involving the community leaderships, the citizens of the border villages, the local police, the civil administration, and the BSF. And they were, so that coordination was enhanced, so that is why after that no further incident in Peninsula subdivision. That was unfortunate.
Police was supposed to be informed, but then they did not inform.
No, now that is why the coordination was lacking earlier. To strengthen that only, now they have decided that coordination committee will meet up every month, even if there is no incident in the area. Still they will keep meeting to strengthen the understanding and trust. And we have decided that if any misunderstanding is there, so the BSF company commander or the local officer, he should intimate the nearby police station immediately, so that the language and other communication problem will not be there. And till the local police arrives, they should not take any further action. So they agreed for that. That is just to strengthen the coordination only.
See, like the things are under process, and already, as I have told you, that yesterday everything was sorted out with Dr. Boam and with the local NGOs, with the local headmen, with the local civilians, with the police force out there, with the SDO out there, and our company commanders. All were present at the Almaram place, and it has been sorted out amicably. And we assure you that in future and till now also, we have been working for the welfare of the people, and we will keep on working for the welfare of the people.